Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Today I am going to show you some interesting hacks which save you lots of time while using Gmail. So let's go. So today we are going to download and install Gmail app in your desktop. For that, firstly you go to your Chrome browser, log in with your Google account. So I have. Then go to Google Apps, select Gmail option. Now your Gmail account will open in Chrome browser, but we want in our desktop. So for that, go to three dots at upper right corner. Now go to Cast, Save and Share option. After that, click on Install Page as App. Now window will pop up which is prompting for installation. If you want to change the name here, you can change it. So I am keeping here Gmail Personal. Then click Install. As soon as you click, the app will open automatically. You can check your desktop. The Gmail icon will appear there. Now you can open it by clicking double click as normal Windows app. Now you can enjoy your Gmail from your desktop without going to the browser. You can send mail, receive mails from here directly. Further, you no longer want this app, you can uninstall from here directly. It will be removed from your desktop. This trick will save you lots of time for accessing your Gmail account. So guys, thank you. I hope this trick helped you a lot. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. See you. Bye.